This DaVinci Resolve tip is going to save you hours of trying to sync your audio and your video. So let's look at a unique problem here. So I have this two clips. One clip is my talking head clip, and the other clip is the tutorial clip where I have the entire recording. Both of these have audio and I want to synchronize them. Now, I used to do this, and I think you do the same thing as well. So we open up both clips, zoom in, and try to match this clip to this clip. And we can clearly see that these waves are not synchronized. So the quickest way to do this is to select any clips you want to synchronize, go to right click, and go to auto align clips. It might be on time code, but I'll switch it to waveform, so it will use the waveform to synchronize this. And I'll hit the sync button and give it a few seconds to analyze the content I have. And once it's done, we now have seamless audio between the talking head clips and the tutorial clip. And what I can do from here is to decide to mute my talking head clip, because the audio from the this audio is coming from my mic, and this audio is coming from my device, from my phone. So this audio is actually clearer. So if I play this DaVinci Resolve, and I'll just create a brand, it's actually done. So it has synced my audio, and I can go ahead and cut and clip and trim and do everything. So it's a real good time saver. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching.